Hi there, hi everyone. Welcome today. Yes, a new day. In today's newspaper of Tuesday, December the 28th, 2021. Yes, and it's also day number 10, full lockdown of the full lockdown, day number 10. And in this newspaper, we have only one regular Sudoku, and it's a medium Sudoku. And we have good news because today we have also an additional with 9 extra puzzles. 9 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only half of them, 5 of them I will solve. But first, we will solve this little baby number 3893. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong, alright? And if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars, Sudokus in the additional, this will be with 27 printed digits, a 1 star. And for 1 star, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. We will see. So let's get started. Alright, let me scan the puzzle. Yeah. How about the last column? The last column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 5. We have a 3 and a 5 in this big square. So no 3 and a 5 in these 3 boxes. The 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 3 goes there. All right. Then. How about? Let me see. How about? Yeah. Well. We have a 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So on the column next, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5. Should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the last column. So the column between, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Well. And I cannot continue with the 5. I need more information. How about the 3 then? 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So no 3 in that box. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the third column, 3 in the first column. So the column between the second column, there are only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, here 3, no 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 3. How about the 4 in this row, 4 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for the 4 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 4. How about? The one in this column, the one in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the one should be there. Then three missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8 in the middle column, so no 8 in these two boxes. One box left for the 8. Should be there. Two numbers left in this big square. Four numbers: 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Two missing numbers in the middle column. For the numbers 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 4 and the 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. All right. Okay. Then we have a 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row below, the only two places left for the 7 should be here. Or there, we see there 7, no 7 there, 7. Should be there. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number. Two of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 6. We have a 1 and a 6 in the last column, so no 1 and a 6 in these three boxes. The 1 and the 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row above, the only two places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only two places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row. So in the third row, the only two places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 1. Okay. How about? Yeah. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So that column, the only place left for 3 should be there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box cannot be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. Okay, do I have all the 3s? Let me count, and all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 3. Okay. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row, so the row between. The only place left for the 2 should be there. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8 in this column, so no 8 in these two boxes. 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers are 1. The 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2 in the middle row, so no 2 in these two boxes. Here 2 in the third column, so no 2 in those two boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those two boxes in this row, 2 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 2 should be there. Okay. Then 1 number left in this row for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. Two missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Two missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, and a 9 is missing. 8 and a 9. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 1 box left in this row. For number 1, 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. Okay. The 9, the 9, the 9, the 9, 9. How about here? 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. Then 1 box left in this third column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. 6 in this row, third row, 6 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there's 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. And all the 6's are used. I can see digit number 3, number 6. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 is missing. 8 and a 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Alright, 2 missing numbers in the third column for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright. Okay. Then. How about these 2 missing numbers in this big square? For the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there, 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8's are used. I can see digit number 4, number 8. 1 box left in the third row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For the numbers 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We see there's 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, and a 5 is missing. 2 and a 5. 2 and a 5. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. How about these 2 numbers in this row? The numbers are 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and the 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 5. Final 2 numbers of this big square. For numbers are 1, the 2, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Finish in 40 minutes. Faster than 50 minutes. So I'm very well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later on with the other 5 puzzles in the additional. Yes, we have an additional with extra puzzles. I'm well pleased with the puzzles today. So see you later. Bye bye for now.